everything okay? Are you guys ready? Ready? Let's start. Stop. Hello viewers! I'm your host for today, Franz Pineda, and welcome to my show, Beck Knows. Because whenever you're in doubt, ask me how, because Beck knows! Hi! Welcome to my show! So, for our contestants for today, I've invited medical technology students from Angeles University Foundation. So, let's meet them. Hello contestants! Welcome to my show! So, I welcome you, Val! Hi Val! And Mika! Hi Mika! And Pam! Hi Pam! And lastly, Anne! Hi Anne! Because whenever you're in doubt,
ask him how! Beck knows!
So for today's topic, we will be picking recommendations from our viewers. Oh, interesting. So our topic for today is parathyroid hormone. We will proceed with our first guest, Mika. Okay, so Mika, are you ready? So could you tell me something about the parathyroid gland?
The parathyroid glands are small endocrine glands in the neck of humans. Humans usually have 4 parathyroid glands, variably located at the back of the thyroid gland. The parathyroid glands are normally the size of a rice grain or as large as a pea and still be considered normal.
Oh, that's nice. So could you tell me more about its function?
The parathyroid glands control the calcium levels in our body, how much calcium is in our bones, and how much is in our blood. As the blood filters throughout the parathyroid glands, they detect the amount of calcium present in the blood and react by making more or less parathyroid hormone.
So now that you have given us a brief description of the parathyroid gland, let's talk about the hormone that it secretes. So could you give us a brief description about its function?
Parathyroid hormone is the most important endocrine regulator of calcium and phosphorus concentration in extracellular fluid. This hormone is secreted from cells of the parathyroid glands and finds its major target cells in the bones and in the kidneys.
Sharing your knowledge about parathyroid gland and the parathyroid hormone.
No problem, sir. Thank you also for having me here.
Let's proceed with our next guest, Val.
Hi, Beck.
Hi Val.
Hi, guys.
So Val, let's take a seat. What are you going to share with us for today, Val?
I will be talking about the parathyroid hormone synthesis and its mechanism.
So let's get to it then. So what could you say about PTH?
Like most other protein hormones, parathyroid hormone is synthesized as a pre-pro hormone, and this is a precursor of a hormone. After intracellular processing, the mature hormone is packaged within the Golgi bodies into secretory resides, and then secreted as a linear protein of 84 amino acids, which is its biologically active form found in the body. Parathyroid hormone is secreted by exocytosis within seconds after induction of hypocalcemia.
That's nice. So how does calcium regulate PTH secretion in the body?
Calcium regulates not only the release, but also the synthesis and degradation of PTH. If the levels of calcium is low in the blood, PTH synthesis increases. However, if the levels are high, PTH synthesis will decline.
Val, let's talk about the action of PTH in the body. So how would you explain to us its action?
So I prepared something for us to understand the mechanism better. Go. Low calcium levels in the blood stimulate parathyroid hormone secretion in the parathyroid gland. The parathyroid hormone then acts on the bones, kidneys, and intestines to regulate the levels of calcium in the blood. Parathyroid hormone stimulates osteoblasts present in the bones, causing them to express signaling molecules that activates osteoclast. By stimulating osteoclastogenesis, the parathyroid hormone stimulates bone resorption and causing the calcium levels in the blood to increase. Parathyroid hormone has two important effects in the kidney. First, it puts a brake on the excretion of calcium in the urine, thus conserving calcium in the blood. This effect is mediated by stimulating tubular reabsorption of calcium. Parathyroid hormone also inhibits phosphate reabsorption in the kidney, which is the counter-ion of calcium. Second, it stimulates the production of the active form of vitamin D in the kidneys. The active form of vitamin D, calcitriol, is then utilized by the intestines.
We will be back after a short commercial break. Stay tuned! Hi guys, we're back. We are going to proceed with the next segment of my show. Beck Asks You Out. Bang, bang, bang. Hi guys.
Hi!
So I am here to explain the mechanics of the game. I will be giving out conditions or symptoms that pertain to diseases of the parathyroid gland. So let's proceed. Before we begin with the game, if you want to answer, just say the words, Beck told me how. Say it with me. Beck told me how. To start off with the game, I will be mentioning complications pertaining to a specific condition of the parathyroid gland. If you know the answer, just say the magic words. Are you ready?
Yes.
Let's start. Tingling sensation of the hands or feet, unusual muscle movements, jerking or twitching.
Beck told me how.
So, do you know the answer?
Yes, it's hypoparathyroidism. Hypoparathyroidism means the parathyroid gland produces too little parathyroid hormones. This causes blood calcium levels to fall and the blood phosphorus levels to rise. Common causes of this disorder include surgical removal of the parathyroid glands and disease process that lead to the destruction of the parathyroid glands. People who develop hypoparathyroidism quickly can have the following symptoms. As mentioned earlier, tingling sensation of the hands or feet, unusual muscle movements, jerking or twitching, feeling tired or irritable.
Complications are osteoporosis and bone fractures, kidney stones.
Beck told me how. It's hyperparathyroidism. Hyperparathyroidism is where the parathyroid glands produce too much parathyroid hormone. This causes blood levels to rise or hypercalcemia and blood phosphorus levels to fall or hypophosphatemia. There are two main types of hyperparathyroidism: primary hyperparathyroidism and secondary hyperparathyroidism. Primary hyperparathyroidism is mainly caused by a non-cancerous tumor called an adenoma growing on one of the parathyroid glands, causing it to become overreactive. On the other hand, secondary hyperparathyroidism refers to conditions such as kidney disease on vitamin D deficiency that lowers the calcium. The body reacts by producing extra parathyroid hormone to stop calcium levels from falling to a very low level. Complications of hyperparathyroidism includes osteoporosis and bone fractures, kidney stones and blockage, and peptic ulcers.
Hi guys! Another day has ended with us gaining new knowledge about the parathyroid hormone. See you next week for another episode of my show. Because whenever you're in doubt,
Ask him how! Because Beck knows!
Work. You see me heavy work. You see me do me dirt.